Alright, this is my 2010 Eastern Journey frame bike check jig, but I got my monster sticker in the front. Looks fresh. Got the 2010 Eastern Journey frame, as I said. Got that wonderful scratch. Amazing. Got the Eastern sticker. Took the brake mounts off because I don't ride brakes, but let's start out with the front now. Have the Shadow Conspiracy 4-piece bars, 8.25 rise, I think 26-inch width, pretty small, but they hold up really good, no slips. Got the Shadow Conspiracy grips with the Shadow bar ends, not this one, but this one. Hold up, see, it's broke, I need new ones. Got the Shadow Conspiracy stem with the blue Shadow hollowed out bolts, pretty fresh. Also, got the Shadow forks, boltless forks, pretty nice. Has a coffin right here for Shadow. Got the Shadow Conspiracy 3-piece cranks that they don't make anymore, which kind of peed me off a little bit because I want the new ones. Shadow Conspiracy blue bottom bracket to match them rims. As you can tell, got these Shadow pedals. I can't even find the freaking thing. With broke bearings in the left one, but the right one's fine. For the front rim, we got the Cinema 333 wheel set with the female hub. As you can tell, pink shoelace in there. Shine them hubs up. Don't get dirty on the inside. It's a really good idea. Got the same thing on the back, the Cinema 333 female axles also with the pink shoelace. Keep the hub clean again. Got a Kenda tire, just temporary, doesn't hold up that good. I don't really like Kenda because they don't hold that much. They just don't hold up for me. I got the Duo 2.3 monster front tire. It's freaking like a donut. It's freaking huge. This side of the frame, little bike, I have my Shadow Conspiracy. You can see this is chain wheel, 25 tooth on 25.9. Holds up pretty good. Has some good, pretty sturdy RHD right hand drive. Got the Shadow Conspiracy half link interlock 2 chain. Pretty fresh. I've had this chain. I recommend getting it. It's freaking boss. Got some dirt on the frame, you know, something you can clean. Got this pretty boss seat right here, Odyssey, pivotal, with the Shadow Conspiracy blue seat post. I have it slammed in. Then I have this wonderful integrated seat post clamp. You can also see through the frame into the seat post. Look at them rims. See? Cinema 333s. Pretty fresh. Looks nice. Getting an overall view right here. There's a Hardcore Sports. Well, sports dot nothing because it kind of peeled off. But right here, hardcoresports.com. Bike rim with ghetto skull valve caps on both sides. They're like clear green, but gives the bike a little character. And the bars a little forward. And then also, Mankind integrated headset with a black spacer. Bike holds up pretty good. I like it a lot. And that's my Eastern Journey 2010 BMX bike check.